Number 1. 1995 Ford F-150, price $9,500. This truck is powered by a dependable 5.0L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. It has 237,000 miles on the odometer, features a white exterior with a blue interior, and runs on gasoline. The truck has been well maintained and remains in excellent condition for its age. The interior is clean, recently detailed, and equipped with cold air conditioning, along with fully functional power windows, power door locks, and power seats. The factory radio powers on but is currently not working. On the outside, the truck is exceptionally clean for a 30-year-old vehicle, with newer tires and absolutely no rust on the body or frame. It presents well, drives smoothly, and is a solid choice for anyone looking for a reliable classic Ford pickup. Number 2. 1993 GMC 1500, price $8,000. It has 165,000 original miles and is powered by a reliable 5.7L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. It features a striking red exterior with a gray interior and runs on gasoline. This factory short bed pickup runs and drives excellently, with no rust or significant bodywork needed, making it a solid and well-maintained classic truck. It rides on stylish 20-inch wheels and has received numerous recent maintenance upgrades, including new spark plugs, plug wires, distributor cap and rotor, ignition coil, front brakes and calipers, as well as a recent oil change, transmission fluid flush, and new transmission filter. The truck has also been refreshed with a new front grille, front bumper, roll pan, and front and rear trim components, giving it an updated appearance while maintaining its classic appeal. Number 3. 2002 Ford Ranger, price $7,900. It has 147,000 miles and comes equipped with a reliable 3.0L V6 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. It features a gold exterior with a tan interior, both of which remain in good overall condition. The truck has a clean title, recently passed its smog inspection, and the registration expired on July 31st. It runs and drives well, with ice-cold air conditioning and a fully functional heater. As an XLT model, it includes power windows, power mirrors, power door locks, an alarm system, cruise control, and a tilt steering wheel for added comfort and convenience. The interior is well maintained with no rips or tears, while the paint and body are in good condition with only a few minor scratches consistent with normal wear and tear. Additional features include a rear sliding window, a complete bed liner, a tow ball for light towing, and tires with approximately 90% tread remaining, making it a solid and well-equipped midsize pickup. Number 4. 1995 Ford Ranger, price $6,900. This truck has 159,000 miles and is powered by a gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. It features a red exterior with a tan interior, making it a great choice for anyone looking for a dependable compact pickup. The truck runs and drives great, has a clean title, and comes with ice-cold air conditioning. It is equipped with AM/FM radio, AM/FM cassette, and AM/FM CD, along with driver and passenger safety features including a driver front airbag and passenger active belts. This Ranger features a conventional regular cab with a regular bed, making it practical for daily driving, light hauling, or weekend projects. Overall, it is a well-maintained, reliable little truck that is ready for its next owner. Number 5. 1995 Ford Ranger, price $6,750. This truck has 128,000 miles, an automatic transmission, a black exterior, and a blue interior. It is equipped with a dependable 4.0-liter V6 engine paired with a smooth-shifting automatic transmission and a 2WD drivetrain, making it a practical and reliable pickup for everyday driving. The transmission was recently rebuilt, giving the truck a major mechanical upgrade and helping ensure dependable performance. For a 1995 model, it runs and drives great, with the engine performing well and the drivetrain operating as it should. Although CarMax indicates that the mileage is not original, the truck has a clean title with no branding, providing added peace of mind for the next owner. Number 6. 1998 Chevrolet S10, price $4,300. This truck is a clean, reliable pickup that runs and drives great, making it an excellent daily driver. It has 168,000 miles on the odometer and is powered by a dependable 2.2L 4-cylinder gasoline engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission. Finished in white with a gray interior, the truck has been well maintained and comes with a clean title in the owner's name. The registration is valid through January 2027, and both the air conditioning and heater work exceptionally well for year-round comfort. It also features an upgraded stereo system, adding to the driving experience. Overall, this Chevrolet S10 is a solid, dependable truck that is ready for its next owner. Number 7. 1997 Ford F-250, price $6,500. It has 188,000 miles and is powered by a gasoline engine with an automatic transmission. It features a red exterior, a gray interior, and has been well maintained, making it a reliable truck for everyday driving or towing. The owner completed extensive maintenance before a major road trip, including replacing the thermostats, intake manifold, valve cover and exhaust manifold gaskets, radiator hoses, water pump, viscous fan clutch, alternator, front fuel pump, and belt tensioner. The AC system was serviced. The transmission was rebuilt at 142,000 miles and recently serviced with a new filter, and both the front and rear brakes were refreshed. It also received new front upper and lower ball joints, repacked wheel bearings, new headlights, and recently rotated and balanced tires. Number 8. 1995 GMC Sierra 1500, price $6,500. Well-maintained 4x4 powered by a reliable 5.7L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. It has 148,000 miles, runs on gasoline, features a burgundy exterior with a gray interior, and comes with a clean title. The truck has been extensively serviced with new BF Goodrich 265/75 or 16 tires, Bilstein shocks, refreshed steering and suspension components, and a fully rebuilt braking system. The engine has received major maintenance, including a new timing chain, water pump, EGR valve, and multiple new gaskets. The fuel and ignition systems have also been updated with new injectors, fuel pump, throttle body, distributor, ignition module, spark plugs, and wires, along with several new sensors. This Sierra is a dependable classic truck that is ready to drive and enjoy. Number 9. 1985 Chevrolet Silverado, price $6,500. This truck has 100,000 miles, an automatic transmission, a black exterior paired with a blue interior, and is powered by a gasoline engine. The owner has been using the truck as a weekend driver, and it starts, runs, and drives well. It is being offered for sale simply due to a lack of storage space. The truck has received numerous recent upgrades, including a new starter, new fuel pump, new carburetor, new air filter, new distributor, new fuel tank, new brake hoses, new wheels, and new tires. With its extensive maintenance and dependable performance, this classic C10 is ready for its next owner to enjoy. Number 10. 1984 Chevrolet 1500, price $3,700. It has 167,000 miles and is powered by a 305 V8 gasoline engine paired with a 3-speed manual transmission with a low gear. Finished in tan with a matching tan interior, this classic pickup runs, drives, and stops well. The truck features 4 new Skyjacker shocks, a properly functioning 4-wheel drive system, and an engine that runs smoothly with good power and no ticking or knocking. All lights in the heater work as they should. It starts reliably even in cold weather, and the rocker panels, bed, and floorboards remain solid. It rides on good Cooper light truck tires. The engine smokes slightly, and the interior shows some wear, but overall it is a solid, dependable classic truck.